I'm hungry for some snacks, so let's make something. The first thing I'm gonna grab is this cauliflower. As you can see, it's starting to kind of separate here, so it is definitely ready. Unreal. It's huge. Grabbing a little bit of parsley, a few carrots, maybe. Oh, dang it. Nice. A few bell peppers. I was gonna eat one of these, but I feel like they need to ripen up just a little bit more. California honey mandarins. Ooh, I'll grab a little bit of celery. A lemon. All right, so here's what we ended up grabbing. I'm gonna grab a few cherry tomatoes too, actually. Okay, now I'm actually done. Garbanzo beans, drained, rinsed, tahini, avocado oil, lemon juice, salt. I don't have any fresh garlic right now, so I'm just gonna use some garlic powder and some water. Throw in some lemon zest too. I'm gonna add the parsley and some chili on top. Yum.